helps a lot of people. Yeah. Hello, hello. This is your girl 254 African rider here in Diani Beach. We are just sitting down watching the waves. The boys are playing there. You can see they are playing there. It's a nice weather today. Yeah, we have a lifeguard there. So we're just resting, watching, and checking the winds and the water. It's rising slowly.
Yeah. It's starting, the tide is starting to come in.
Yeah, it's coming in. You can see now the wind is pushing.
Yeah, you can see, look, especially right here.
Yeah.
See that water rise up there?
So
yeah.
We have been here. We just bought even. My husband bought something here.
Don't pull it, man.
Yeah. So that's where we are. There are camels out there. So we are here.
Oh, that water, it's just like, you can see how high it gets.
The sun. Those people who love sun. I don't like sun. I don't like the beach. No, it's still there. Look like it's gonna rain. Look at the clouds, but it's not gonna rain. It's just
cloudy. It gets cloudy, then it gets clear. Cloudy, clear, cloudy. You got, don't you? You brought that water at the store. You thought that was the store.
Yeah. We are supposed to put a sticker when we go in.
Oh, yeah.
But I didn't know.
You didn't know. Yeah.
So there are speed boats there. Anyone who wants a speedboat, there's a port if somebody wants to go and have a ride and see the fish.
Yeah. They must be coming from Mombasa.
Maybe.
Or maybe the island or something.
Look at that bird fly. It's a bird flying.
Regular bird inside the sea.
So just sharing the beach area. It's a beautiful day to be out and about. Just to chill and relax and enjoy the beach. So catch me later, 254 African Rider. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ciao, ciao.